Mahkamah Agung mengucapkan selamat datang di Indonesia, khususnya di kota Bogor. Ini adalah kampus untuk meningkatkan kapabilitas dan kapasitas. Saya menyambut baik acara ini dan Mahkamah Agung akan selalu siap menjadi host ataupun akan memfasilitasi segala bentuk kegiatan yang bertujuan untuk meningkatkan kapasitas dan kapabilitas dari aparatur, khususnya di negara-negara se-Asia Pasifik.
This 5-day convening of judges in Indonesia, spearheaded by the Indonesian Supreme Court with their partners ICEL and Client Earth, has put together a great program where judges from the region have gotten together to hear from the experts on what is climate change, what its nexus with human rights is, and what is the different techniques and reliefs that are being given in the region and around the world in such cases. I think it's a great adventure, and I think it's absolutely the need of the day, because judges not only need to understand the subject of climate change, but they also need to collaborate with one another. And this kind of a convening gives judges the ability to collaborate with one another, to learn from one another, and also to help build resources within the global south. So I think it's one of the best efforts that I've seen, and I think it's important and essential that there are more such events so that more judges understand the critical nature of climate change cases.
Last 5 days was a great learning experience for me. I have learned the innovative techniques. How can we save the climate and how can we promote the climate justice?
In terms of what we hope to gain in the future is we hope that this network can grow. We hope that we can continue to learn from each other. And because this is a developing matter, we hope to regularly come back and convene and discuss on what are the best practices to bring forward to continue to combat climate change.
So thank you for inviting me, and I had a really great time, and I met a lot of people which contributed to my knowledge and developed my talent in making friends with other people. So thank you.
Welcome to the site visit session of the Asia Pacific Judicial Convening on Environment and Climate Law, Adjudication to the Meteorology, Climatology and Geophysics Agency.
Thank you so much to judges from the Philippines, Papua New Guinea, India, Pakistan, Malaysia, People's Republic of China, Vietnam, Brunei, Cambodia, Laos, Singapore, Nepal, and of course, as they say, the happy judges from Indonesia.
There are judges in the ASEAN group that have gathered here today from so many countries that are doing their very best to understand their duty under the law to protect their citizens, their mothers, their children, and also to protect the health of the planet. So what a wonderful conference, because it's a conference about protection. It's a conference about duty, but a wonderful duty, a duty to protect the earth and the people that we all love. So I'm honored to be here, and I will always be here whenever I'm asked to, because they're protecting my home. So it's a privilege to be here.